Okay, it's coming out fine. I believe that's it right there. So just stained it a little bit, sanded it a little bit, painted it a little bit, put some clear coat on it, and I do believe that we can put the feet on it and call it done. So, man, I'm proud of that. If nothing else. All right, well, let me put the feet on it, put it all together, and I'll show you what it looks like. It'll probably be another 10 minutes or so. I've been working on Pontiac stuff. Well, let's see. Look at what came out of the intake after it came back from the tank. That's pretty gross stuff. It's all over everything. Not this, of course. I keep a tray full of itsy bitsy tiny stuff, and because you just run into it sometime. I have this thing from Radio Control Stuff, and you end up needing these little itty things sometimes. And it's just the way it is. You just end up needing it. And so we've got all the feet on it, and I had to get some of my jeweler's tools out and put all that away in a little bit. And so I've got these little extra claw feet here. So we're going to put those there. I'm going to need these in just a minute. So let's put these back where they belong. Itsy bitsy screws, because they may be needed again. Okay, let's put it together and look at it. So, well, I guess I can do step one here. And let's just take her over here in the light. Took her out today. She's running like a dream. I got a feeling I'm going to have to put a head gasket on the Spitfire. I don't know. I'll find out tonight when I get the ultraviolet stuff going. So, there it is. I mean, I can't see that. That ain't pretty good, because it's real good. I mean, all right. I am very, very happy about that. So let's put, so the rest of it's over here. I've been keeping it out of harm's way. And so we're going to bolt. God, I forgot that was even broken. So, boy, this cost a lot of money to get done. Charge. So that goes like that. So let me get a screwdriver and let's just look at it when it's together. It's not 3 screws and screw it in and I'm done. So it's always easy stuff like that, isn't it? Okay, one more shot. You know this is old stuff because you have to get these 3 screws in there exactly. They're not exactly right. So that's why I put that little red mark right there. I offset it for fun, and they will not go in. So whenever you take anything like this old apart, just put a little nondescript little red mark on it or something, like right there. You might can see it. So here we go. And all you got to do now, I forgot that was shocked out of the bottom too. So let's go over what we did. That's pretty good right there. So that was broken in half. That was all chalked out of there. That was chipped. Can't do much with that. I just sort of colored it where you won't see it. And it looks like it's had the normal amount of wear and tear. So that is it. I am so pleased with this. I still think it to be very fragile. So let's be careful with it. But that's my little piece of furniture repair right there. And I'll try just about anything once. Anybody will tell you that. And that's kind of fun. I think I'm going to get let's get my little pencil and fix right there, and we're going to call it a day. So anyway, I appreciate you. But we got to do these barbells. I don't know what happened to Sean. He just sort of evaporated into the ether. I don't know what happened to him. But anyway, okay. That's it for today. And so give me a thumbs up and hit like and subscribe. And we will do a little bit more touch up, maybe a little bit more clear coat or something, and then that's going to be ready to hit the road. Thanks again. Bye-bye.